my landlady and I.
Hello there. Thanks for watching this video. I do really appreciate. God bless you. God bless you. Please, as you watch, help subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so you can get notified when we drop new exclusive video, because this channel will be doing some mind-blowing videos pretty soon, which we are working on. I'm your own boy, Oyiko Alex. Now you know. Please, let's watch this video. Let's watch and enjoy. Thank you very much. Watch.
Nduka Ogene, why are you opening the gate like that now, Nduka?
This woman put something in this compound.
What kind of opening is that? And I didn't even look at you the way you are even dressed. Why are you dressed like this?
Shebi, you said I should wear corporate.
Look at how you are looking rumpled, like a rumpled 20 naira note. Huh?
Is this
you
not
are coming
corporate?
for something like this, and then you are dressed like this.
But now you said I should dress corporate. I decided to corporate. Now you are.
And even your corporate is not even cooperating. You look like all these people that work in the cooperative bank in the 1980s. And you even walk up.
Because I'm capable.
What did you eat? The way you are behaving like this?
Rice.
With what? You don't know that when you order rice, you get beans so you can eat it with it.
Oh, Biagu! Oh, Biagu, you are full of wisdom.
Look at that. Everywhere is dirty. Everywhere. Everywhere is just dirty. Everything is scattered.
Look at hanging rope on cloth.
I told my brother that he should use the money he made from the Nigerian Railway Corporation to build a house in Uzuakol. He refused. He said he wants to come and build in Lagos.
Rubbish. Look at the ceiling. They cannot even put a mat on the pipe.
When we take over now, we are going to do it the modern way. Nobody builds house like this.
No.
We will ensure that we put the roof on top of the zinc.
With carburetor.
So that every... You're talking carburetor. Go.
Hey! Look at! Hey, they build gutter on top of gutter. Look at that. Hey! Yeah!
Good afternoon, Uncle Obiagu and Nduka.
Get that for what? Okay, I got that.
He got dafu.
Oh, that's a
wonderful.
Look at how she's greeting me. You don't know who I am.
Look at
who I am now.
This is Obiagu 1. Obiagu 1, Obiagu 2 in the same one. The wonderful Obiagu, the one that deal with Amadioha with her heart.
It's okay, don't give them my CV. It's okay.
It's the VC of our village.
I don't know. Young people. Look at. So thank God you have because we will join hands now and do this place well. Because we have come to take over. So what we are going to do now is, because of the way things are,
okay,
we will give you a house at the boys' quarters. Then the thing we just want from you now is the peppers.
Those these boys that used to be in boys' quarters.
She will manage now with the boys in the boys' quarters.
Boys rustling.
You know that our people used to say that when the mosquito lands on your private part, you will know that there is a way you can solve a problem without using violence.
My husband. I am not sure I understand the papers you are talking about.
What kind of name insult?
It's newspaper. It's newspaper. Give us the affidavit. If you have it.
The documents of this house. You have tried. You have done very well for the house. So what we are saying now is that you give us the papers so that we can now come in with our own acumen and do this place very well. That's what we are talking. It's not it's just the papers, the documents, so that we can do this thing and get away from here. We are going back to
night boss.
Okay, Koburu, you want the papers of the house? No problem. Sophia, please offer your seat.
Is this what you did and we started quarreling?
The last time we saw you in the burial, you were greeting everybody. You greet Canopy.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself.
Let me get the document.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
don't know why young people will be behaving.
So if you move and carry chair, give them make a ringworm, cankerworm.
Don't mind all these children. Once they start having breasts, that's how they behave.
They think they are the.
Look at the kind of chair they are even bringing.
Oh, this thing was what killed Uncle.
This is what killed.
This is what it is and kill Uncle. They gave him chair in the wrong throne.
Let us still see that. What matters most is the paper.
Look at Uncle that is chairman. Look at the kind of chair they give him. Turn him to sharp.
This is why our people say that what belly man complained that it's not like he is living healthy.
Okay.
People always look at him that he has eaten to his satisfaction, so they don't give him food.
Please, I need your help. It's very urgent. You see those men there? They are my late husband's brother, and they want to collect the papers for the house.
Paper for the house?
Please, just act like a lawyer and just chase them away.
I should act like a lawyer? That's not the problem. Do you know what I studied in school? General merchandise course. See, this small thing, don't worry, they will run.
They will go.
The paper is inside, Abby.
It's inside.
No need, just leave it. Just leave it. Okay, no problem.
Oh yeah, let's go.
This kind of thing, I won't do it for free now. See, okay, don't worry. If once I do that and they go, you give me 6 months, I will not pay house rent for 6 months.
Kenny.
6
Sorry,
months.
Kenny.
Don't worry now.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry.
What's that?
Wait, 6 months is small. 1 year. 1 year.
What is what has that got to do with it? Wait now, wait.
Let's go. The thing is,
I will just do 6 months. 6 months is okay.
You are going to 1 year, 6 months. Let's go. 1 year, 6 months.
Obiago, there is no meat in this meeting. With the way things are going, we cannot tell them nice to meet you. Madam, where are you? Why are we gathered? Why did you gather us like this?
I don't understand. Sure, you people came here to ask for the papers. And that is why we are here.
Look at.
We came here for papers, not meeting now.
You people came here to ask for the papers to the house. Without my lawyer, you can't get any papers. So that's why we are here.
A child that does not know her mother's boyfriend will call him daddy. You think I'm here to play? You don't know that the reason why it's called private part is because it's private.
Now.
So when did our family meeting now become a public a show of public intelligence, bringing people Oyiko and talking nonsense, talking
the oldest person in our kindred.
See, the lawyer is here because he is responsible for everything in this country.
And also responsible for all the bastard children that you had from my brother, including this one that looks like macaroni.
That
Affidavit now.
Excuse me, sir.
It's why we are here.
She said I'm the one representing her here in this umbrella book. So I would like to just mention 2 or 3 things from our Nigerian book.
Do you understand what we are doing here? This is not a place to
I understand,
This
sir.
thing is bring Arubunanko and bring Amadioha to swear. All these things you are doing will not count.
All right, please, can we just listen? Can we just listen?
Oh, yeah,
all right,
now.
Following section 10, subsection 1(5) of the Nigerian 1999 Constitution, no any authorized rights have any right to evict the landlord or the tenant from our obu above. You are talking nyanyampo. You are talking rubbish. You are talking nonsense. Is it because we did not come with Amadi or Arubunanko? That is why you
other gods that were telling us to call them.
What I'm trying to say in essence is you are trying to collect house document unlawfully.
Oscoff.
So you're trying to do that now. It's a criminal offense in the Nigerian court of law. So you continue to persuade that you want to, and you get this document. Wait. I don't even know what we are still doing here. Why you bring papers? Let's go.
All right, sir. Let me just wrap this in up. You are asking for paper.
Rapture.
And if you continue to do this, persuading her to get the
We are not persuading her, we are instructing her.
we will write a petition to the higher archelaw, and thereby they will send us a letter. Anything else you do, you people are going to the prison. Not just prison, or life imprisonment. Prison is a lie.
I think.
My brother, you say prison.
Oh,
Did you say prison or prison?
Scoff now.
He said prison or prison. If it is prison, I'm 62 years old and I cannot go prison. You know, that's why our people say that the man who goes understands fruits of his labor. The thing now is we need to go and inform the rest of us in our village, because if we do not inform them and take action, we will have a Ndoka, you meet me at Chisco Park.
Obi Agu, when my dear,
Meet me at Chisco Park.
Obi Agu, believe me now. Don't leave me
Chisco
now.
Park.
Obi Agu.
Chisco Park.
I'm rather. They want to come and collect paper. Come and collect paper. Nonsense people that did not even care when my husband.
Blackout.
Oyi, you are such a wonderful
Mommy, no, before I go alpha,
Hey, Sophia, go and check if Yaireti is outside the shop. Okay, collect my money. All right. If you like, talk to the old boys on the streets. Thank you very much. If not.
I told you this. This is a small thing. The small thing. See, I told you I studied general merchandise in school. Anything I can see. Mama, if you have any other work, call me. We just do it sharp.
You did well.
Service it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Where are you going now? Your daughter just left. Mama, you need to. We finish the sign now. Just sign 1 year 6 months. I'm not paying for 1 year 6 months.
Kenny, because of this small talk now that you have talked here now, you want to use it and collect the whole house from me. Why did you not tell me to go inside and bring the paper so you could take the house from me?
See, Mama, don't joke with me. 1 year 6 months. That's our agreement.
You and me. I am not signing anything.
I know, let me go and call them.
Oh yeah, wait. It's okay. Just for the fact now that you have helped me one small thing now, you want to collect house from me.
Call that a small thing.
Olori Ibu, I will give you 6 months. Only 6 months.
6 months. Never.
Oh yeah, now let us leave.
1 year 6 months.
6 months.
1 year 6 months.
6 months.
1 year 6 months.
Oh yeah, come and chase me now.
1 year 6 months.
Come and chase me now.
1 year 6 months. 1 year 6 months.
Oh, shame on me.
I don't see 1 year 6 months.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
No, Nami fuck up.
Mama.
What is it?
Good morning.
Morning. Kenny.
Ma, the gate is locked.
What's your name?
My name. Oyiko now.
Oyiko. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Benue State. Is it now your accent?
Hope that place is not too far. Because I have sent for my people to come and throw yourself and your dragons out of my compound. So I would suggest you stay home. So you cross-check. I don't want you to come back to my compound now and tell me one rubbish smelling thing is missing. Stay and check for yourself.
Why will you throw my things out? Am I owing you?
See, Ogun. Anyways, let me not curse you, because even the way you are looking, people from your village have mounted a curse on you. You think me, I will forget 1 year 6 months rent?
I'm owing you 1 year 6 months rent. We had an agreement, we had a deal that you chased out your late husband's brothers, and which I did.
We had an agreement. 1 year, 6 months. That's it. Before I will even start thinking of paying you.
See, it is your enemies that will forget a whole 1 year, 6 months rent, not me.
Ma, I'm tired of all this your insults that you're insulting me. What is it now? What is it? I am somebody's child now.
You are somebody's child. Then make yourself one now. Be useful and pay the rent.
I don't want issue this morning, ma. I have an event. I'm running late already. Give me the key, let me go.
See the key.
You know, I will just go and jump the fence.
Jump! I will shout only. Mark pariwo. Oh, tearing kaka.
Which kind of thing?
Ashiri.
What's all this one now? Eh? God.
Who is that? Oh.
How are you?
Fine.
Well,
Fine. Oh, sit down.
Thank you.
Let me get you something to drink.
Don't bother. Don't bother. Come, sir. Hey, how are you, my dear? How are you? What happened?
Nothing. I was going to send him on an errand.
Take it easy. You almost gave me an heart attack.
I'm sorry.
My brother.
I will go myself.
Really? I hope there's no problem.
Nothing.
Oh, yeah, Joko, go.
Let me get you the drink.
Okay. This woman safe. I don't even understand. Just keep on disturbing. Now I'm late for my event. Should I take here or I should take here?
Okay, what's up? You know me before. Why you dey look me?
Sorry, ma. It seems like I've seen your face somewhere, but I can't remember.
From where?
You are not going anywhere. You, this man, you are not going anywhere. What kind of husband are you? You are not going anywhere. You give us money, we will eat. Your children are inside. Who they eat? Give us money. What kind of husband are you?
Don't I give you money?
Hey, you are not. You are not going anywhere. You go and be wasting your money. Go and be wasting your money. What kind of husband are you?
What is it? For where you know me?
No, don't worry, ma. Don't worry, ma. Sorry. Hey. This is another wonderful opportunity for me. I'm going back. How's business?
I know. You see, we are managing, Jerry.
Yeah. Whatever the children, I hope they are not around. Very good, and I hope they are not. I hope they are not being going around there. I'm here for you today. Well.
They are not around.
Are you sure? Yeah, let's go inside now. Let's go inside.
You like that? What is it?
Don't there!
And who do you think you are talking to like that?
I'm talking to both of you. Two both of you. Hello, young man. Who are you?
Don't worry. I will give you quick notice.
You have to give me quick notice. No problem. I will gladly go outside. Go that street and tell Mrs. Nike, oh yeah, that her husband is here.
Hey!
And that is not all. And I'll go to number 13. Akim Bolade Street. Tell your family that you are here sleeping with a dead man's wife. You see, don't worry. Give me quick notice now. Let me go. My brother. Stop beating me! Stop beating me. Look at them. Shina, you ever do Shina? Shina.
Hey, anything you want.
Anything. Bring that. Anything. Come, happy here. Give me. It's okay. Yeah, leave this compound now.
I'm going immediately.
Leave me!
I'm going immediately.
Go! Cut it. Landlady. Landlady, Alpha.
Oyi.
Landlady. I need words.
Okay.
Cold one. I have to calm myself down for this shot I've shouted today. Give me my tea! Mods. Cold one. He even forgot his phone here. 1,000 naira plus food. Let me see. I will hold it. Where is the Marty?
I'm bringing it now.
Landlady. Mrs. Kemi. This one is not even nickel. This man. How much? What the motto? The house rent. Don't worry, since you are thinking, the deal we had before. I'm not adding any other one. Just go in and bring my receipt for 1 year and 6 months.
Oyiko. Wait. What if I did not bring this receipt and then I send you packing? What will happen?
You know what will happen now? I will gladly go outside, tell everybody on TV, radio station that you are sleeping with someone else's husband.
Okay, what if me and you are dead?
God forbid. I'm not dying.
You will not die.
I'm not dying.
You will not die.
I'm not dying.
You are not going to die.
What?
You are not.
Yeah!